Hello, welcome. My name is Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little sound demo video, and it's to accompany one of our Etsy listings for this beautiful little drum just here. Okay, so this is a 16-inch buffalo skin drum. It's rather pretty. As you can see, it's creamy and it's got this lovely translucent area just here which adds to that beautiful design. If I turn it over, you can see the way it's been laced. So it's been laced with the skin from the same hide that was used to make the drum head. So it's all one continual energetic experience here with the same animal. The frame is made from mulberry wood. As I say, it's a 16-inch frame. On the inside of the frame, I've actually put in some information for you. Birthed on the 28th of August 2022 in Knighton Parish, UK, and that's to enable you to have a look at the astrological aspects of the drum, what energies were around on the day when the drum was birthed, and going forwards into the future. I put in my maker's mark there as well, Driftwood Hollow Drums, and I've also put mulberry and buffalo, so at any time in the future, however many years down the line, you'll always have a record, a reference point as to what the drum was birthed out of. And as you can see, it's a nice way to grip the drum on these. It's called Salish style lacing. It's very traditional Native American style, representing the four directions on the back there. I'm going to play with a couple of beaters here. One's a firmer one, one's a softer one. Both give a slightly different sounds, so you'll be able to tell the difference hopefully between the two and find out which one of those you resonate with as well. So here we go, have a little play. Lovely. And then the firmer beater. Okay, sorry about that. Jack barked and I jumped out of my skin. Okay, well I hope that gives you a rough idea anyway of what the firmer beater sounded like, regardless of that little interruption halfway through. Yeah, so I hope this video as a whole has helped you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to birth your shamanic drum, buy your shamanic drum. But you can birth your shamanic drum here at Driftwood Hollow Drums as well. If you want to birth your own drum, drop me a line, make a date with me, come along, birth your own drum. I only do one-to-ones, I don't do groups. 100% of my attention for the whole day, so that you will go away with the best drum that you possibly can. It's filled with ceremony, singing, cleansing, blessings. It's a beautiful experience. Drop me a line. Yeah, so anyway, let's wrap this video up. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.